when you saw the result, what was your first reaction?
I cried. I cried. My family cried. So I already recommend IELTS Gurukul to many people. I recommend personal mentorship with Pranay sir to many people.
What was your sociology score particularly?
So I got 280 this time, and last time I had 216 in sociology, 216.
Hmm.
So I think that was one major change which helped me this time.
Aradhana,
And
beta. Hello, beta.
yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, beta. Heartiest congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You look so good. You are beaming. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
It is
That's
great
the
to see you
feeling of
so
it.
relaxed. Like, it's great to see you relaxed, beta.
Yes, sir.
Again.
Thank you.
हाँ.
I hope
और
I'm clearly audible, right?
हाँ, you are fine. I can hear you perfectly.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
So, कैसा लग रहा है आपको फाइनली इस चक्रव्यूह से निकल के? Hmm?
Sir, I think there's only this one feeling. अभी बहुत overwhelming और elated सा feeling है. It's
Hmm.
sinking in slowly,
Hmm.
but yes, relieved.
So, आप by any chance are you giving another attempt?
No, sir, I'm not. I'll get IAS.
अच्छा, so wonderful. We are settled in life.
Yes,
Finally,
sir.
है ना? ठीक है. तो और घर में सेलिब्रेशंस वगैरह अभी चल रही हैं, मंदिर वंदिर के चक्कर चल रहे हैं या हो गए सब?
That keeps going on, sir.
That keeps going on ना? बिल्कुल. Uh, Radhana bete, I'll just have a discussion with you for a few minutes, है ना?
Yes.
And तो मेरे को ये बताओ पहले तो कि when you saw the result, what was your first reaction?
I cried. I cried. My family cried. So I think we all expect to be in the list, but we can
Hmm.
never predict where we are going to be in the list. Once
बिल्कुल.
you see that number, it's like so. That was there was Ashtami on that day, and
Hmm.
the all the puja and everything was done, and then I see the result, and I'm like, oh God! It just
Hmm.
took around 30 minutes for me to believe that yes, it has occurred. Yes.
And
Happy.
you've done wonderfully, yeah. Like very decent rank, huh?
Yes, sir.
Very respectable rank. And what was your sociology score particularly?
So I got 280 this time, and last time I had 216 in sociology, 216.
Hmm.
So I think that was one major change which helped me this time. Improvement in sociology.
ग्रेट. और ये बताओ कि जब आप प्रिपेयर अभी कितने साल हो गए आपको प्रिपेयर करते हुए बेटे?
So 4 years. This was my fourth attempt, and
Hmm.
second interview. Yes.
सो एनीथिंग यू फाउंड कि आपने कोई गलती पहले अटेम्प्ट्स में की है ना, which you did not do this time, so things clicked?
So the first mistake that I think every candidate makes is कि we do not view it as a complete exam. We just
Hmm.
focus on prelims. So once we clear prelims, we are not mains ready. So
Hmm.
that was one mistake which I also did. I had very less score in mains last time. So I think this time, so in 22, I couldn't clear prelims after one
Hmm.
interview. So I
Hmm.
focused on improving my whole mains score at that time. So that whole year was my mains preparation. And this time I had 813 in mains. So yes,
Great. और इंटरव्यू में कितने थे?
157.
And how was your interview experience बेटा?
So it was good actually. I was expecting a little more, but then
Hmm.
yes, I knew I did not perform as good as I was performing in the mocks. So I don't know something about the day, but there were factual questions. There were things that probably I did not expect from the interview, but it went fine. And I think it's the
मतलब
day.
was it like intimidating or anything of that sort, or was it like a pleasant experience?
No, no, it was not intimidating. So the panelists are always very nice. So I had Suman ma'am's board this time,
Hmm.
and the members were very cordial throughout. So it was just on my part, I think, that when they asked me some questions, I could feel that I do not know the answers, and that probably impacts the interview experience. So that was from my side only. The interview board was very good.
ठीक है, and all is well that ends well. Now that
Yes,
you are in the list, so है ना, we can't complain. ठीक है,
yes.
ये बताओ कि जब आप प्रिपरेशन करते थे तो GS में which portion you found academically the most challenging bit?
So initially, I think GS3 was the most challenging for me because so many parts, science and tech and environment and all of that. So it's not just economy as we see it initially. So that was the most challenging part. But I think once we get into that groove of answer writing, we
जी,
understand that it's not about the subjects. We need to learn how to write answers. So that
yes,
also became easier going forward.
ठीक है. और how did you process so much of information? इतना कुछ होता है that one has to remember. So one is of course multiple revisions. Any other tips you can offer, like how does one remember, so much information?
So I think one thing that I figured out throughout this exam was we do not need to uh, keep looking it as कि याद ही करना है, याद ही करना है. I think when I read newspapers also, I always thought कि हाँ यार, I must have the knowledge of it. When we go
Hmm.
into the examination, we would understand how to write. Like
Hmm.
when we see a judgment, if I've read it in the newspaper 2 or 3 times, I would remember it automatically. I do not have to put in words to remember that. So that is one thing. But like sometimes when we talk about facts or data or something like that, I think short notes help that way. So
Hmm.
especially in things. So I tried to make short notes this time that helped
Hmm.
me to remember at the last moment as well. And one thing is multiple revisions, as you said.
Yes. And sociology में particularly इतने thinkers के नाम कैसे याद होते थे? Hmm.
So, sir, I think in my first attempt, I made this mistake. First mains, I made this mistake of remembering too many thinkers.
Hmm.
But in this attempt, I tried to remember the theories that they gave.
Hmm.
So I think it became easier that way, not just focusing on writing the name of the thinker, but what they
Yes.
said. So even if I did not remember the thinker's name, I would just write that some thinker mentioned this thing. So
Hmm.
that was helpful, I think. And I think when I joined your test series, when we did the class discussions,
Yes.
viewing it 2 or 3 times, I think that helped me remember those thinkers overall.
Hmm.
So yes, that one.
ठीक है. और ये बताओ कि बोर्डम से कैसे डील करते थे बेटा? It is a very boring, exercise preparing for year after year और same किताब को 10 बार पढ़ना. तो उसके
Yes,
लिए
sir.
क्या करते थे?
So initially it's very good when we start reading because सब interesting लग रहा होता है. But
Yeah.
yes, second, third, fourth attempt में आते आते it becomes boring. So
Hmm.
I think I tried to uh, read it थोड़े थोड़े time. मतलब I did not put myself in a lot of pressure कि I have to read a lot. I tried to involve in extracurriculars also. I spent time with my family also. So वो सारी चीजें cumulatively it helped me. मतलब taking breaks whenever needed and then going forward with it, it helps. So I like music. So I personally spent a lot of time with my music. So
Hmm.
it really helped me in boosting myself for the next round of sitting.
इतनी
So
हिम्मत कि you were pursuing extracurriculars during UPSC preparation. You didn't feel guilty about it?
uh, no, I don't. I did not, I think, because I know even if I did not pursue music on some days, I could not study more than some time, like 8 hours, 9 hours in the later attempts. I think that's more than sufficient. So
Yes,
after I used to feel कि ठीक है अभी, even if I'm not doing music, I would do something else. So it's better that
absolutely.
time on some extracurriculars. So I did that.
And what was the daily routine that you used to follow? Like, did you have a set routine या जब मन आया तब पढ़ लिए? किस प्रकार से करते थे बेटा?
So I did not have a very set routine, but I live with my family. So there's a routine which goes with the family itself. So I used to wake up normally around 7 o'clock or something. I used to make sure that my morning is very fruitful. I study the most in those hours. I'll sit early. I'll take out at least 4 hours during the morning and I'll finish my studying at that time. After that, I would keep it light. So there was nothing like doing it only, but whenever I felt, I would take 1 or 2 hours in the evenings. Generally, I spent time on my extra things, music and gardening or whatever I like of that
Hmm.
sort. In the night, I used to have peer group discussions or anything of that sort, which I needed, the lightest things at the night. So this was my routine.
Great. Uh, Tell me, Aradhana bete, ki, tell me about your optional. Like, how did you zero down on sociology? Why did you take up this subject?
So my graduation subject was not in the optional list. I did computer science engineering, so that was not the option. So I had to
Hmm.
choose the subject which I liked and which was small to prepare. So
Hmm.
sociology looked like a good option, and one major reason was my mother has a master's in sociology.
Oh.
So I really had an interest towards it. I never saw her reading or anything because she finished it way back, but then
Hmm.
I just had that thing in my mind that maybe I can try this subject. So
Hmm.
I started reading it, and once you start, I think you get interested in the subject. So that was how I get started with it.
And आपको लगा कभी गलती हो गई when you initially didn't score well in it?
No, sir, I think even in my first mains, I was very sure that I wrote very good answers. So even I called you after that, and I think I asked you that I did everything right. Even in the tests, I was scoring fine. I don't know why I
Yes.
did not score that time.
Yes.
So I think I never questioned that thing because I like the subject overall. But yes, sometimes you get into that thing of why am I not getting marks? So I did run around too many things to figure out that what did not work, what did not work. So that was one thing, but the subject I really liked.
ठीक है. Uh, ये बताओ कि how do you deal with FOMO during preparation? Because you are inundated with sources, right? So लगता है ये भी पढ़ लो, वो भी पढ़ लो. How do you draw that line?
So I have always had very limited sources, which all the whoever seniors we talk to, they all tell you just one thing, that keep your sources limited. So I just
Hmm.
tried to stick to that only. And I think yes, many times people will keep sending you, read this also, this will help you, that will help you. But then I
Hmm.
think ultimately over a period of time, I realized you cannot remember everything, and you don't have to remember everything. So
Yes.
I think whatever I had, I just tried to read it multiple times. And
Hmm.
I tried to limit talking to people who would put me in such a situation. So that kind of limitation is also important. Staying in touch with the mentors to know that what is important and what is not. So
Hmm.
this is very important. And I think that's where guidance comes into play in this examination, because it really helps you understand what to do and what not to do.
Hmm. अच्छा. Aradhana bete, if you were to bust 3 common myths surrounding UPSC exam preparation, what would they be? जो आपको बाद में realize हुआ हो, these are misconceptions, popular but not true.
I think there are many things which the seniors always keep saying. One is
Hmm.
this thing that you have to read continuously during the day. You can't do anything. You just
Hmm.
have to study for 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours. I do agree that in mains you have to put in a lot of hard work.
Hmm.
But yes, it's not that you cannot do anything else along with that. So
Hmm.
that is the thing. Um, Apart from that, I think that whole idea of limiting yourself from social media, limiting yourself from family and everything, that is also something I personally do not believe is important, because it's a marathon. So in long run,
Hmm.
you need your friends, you need your family, you need that
Hmm.
mental support to keep yourself going. So I really involved in, I really spent time with my friends, with my family, everyone. I gave good time to everyone I was in touch with. So these are the two things I think, according to me, are myths in UPSC.
Yeah. The only issue I have with your answer is regarding social media. Yeah. The problem with that is it can be very addictive and time consuming.
Yes,
Yeah.
it can. I think I use social media time you have to develop that habit of limiting, like setting time for when you use it.
Yeah.
Like when I studied, I always put my phone on DND or keeping using Forest app or things like that to
Hmm.
keep self away from distraction. That's absolutely important because when we are studying, we do not need any distractions. But yes, the reason because I answered it that way was because overall during the day I don't think that we just need to completely shut everything out, because
Hmm.
even while using social media we consume a lot of important information also if we
Hmm.
set the right process.
Hmm.
So I tried to do that.
ठीक है. आराधना ये बताओ बेटा कि you have finally cleared this exam after a lot of failures, bluntly. Yeah, so
Yes.
you are broadly the same person. So what has changed? You know, what makes that difference between success and failure in this exam?
Well, in the last attempt, I would say it. In this exam, we just start somewhere and we figure things out on the way. So even the failures that I faced were only giving me directions on
Yes,
prepare for the next step. So even when there are some students who come and ask me for guidance in the very initial phases of their preparation, I would tell them things, but I know that they would figure it out only when they do it themselves. We can only
absolutely.
we can only tell them, but yes, I
Hmm.
think those learnings, those experiences, they help you grow as a person, as an aspirant, and you gain that way. So I have 112 marks increase in my from my last mains. So
Hmm.
I that whole learning from the process, that's what became important for me.
Good. And tell me, like, what kept you matlab, going through this, long period? What was that driving force or motivation? Hmm? Did you ever feel कि maybe it's not my cup of tea, मेरे को छोड़ देनी चाहिए? Did you, have those usual fears and insecurities that a lot of aspirants grapple with there?
Definitely, I did have them, especially in this attempt. So, this attempt I gave as my last attempt. I decided that I won't sit more than this. So, I
Hmm.
did give other exams along with this. I gave CAT, I gave interviews of IIMs. I did everything this time. But I think that's not because I did not have faith in myself. That's just because sometimes we need to understand that this exam is tough. All the
Hmm.
people who are preparing, there's a huge competition. So, sometimes things might not work your way. So,
बिल्कुल.
ready to accept that thing. But I think belief is something I kept throughout. Uh,
Hmm.
I, that kept me going throughout. I knew even in this exam, when this attempt, when I gave too many other things, I knew I would make it. So that kind of faith, I think, is important. It works or it doesn't work, I don't know, but that does
Yes,
keep you going. That belief is very important.
absolutely. Yeah. And did you ever feel like quitting कि बस अब नहीं होता और अब छोड़ो कुछ और करते हैं?
Um, I think after this attempt, I would have had that thing. But
Hmm.
till this attempt, I gave because this was one attempt when I knew that I know the exam process completely now. I know what mistakes I've made. I know what changes I have to make. So I just tried to give it my all to it this time. But
Hmm.
after the interview was over, I think I was not regarding कि होगा या नहीं होगा. I just knew that I have to move on whatever this state will be after this time. So
Hmm.
this was that attempt, but otherwise I kept going.
Good. And Radna, ये बताओ कि was it also tough for your family apart from you? Hmm?
Absolutely, absolutely.
क्यों?
I
Success.
think
Hmm. Elaborate. Yeah.
yes, sir. I think it's not just an exam for us, it's an exam
Hmm.
for them as well. Then, when your parents keep seeing you doing all of it over and over again, plus when we study, they give the back end support. Like
Yes.
your mother will be running around doing things for you. They'll try to keep you away from things that are unimportant for you. Like
Yes.
sometimes people will be family functions में क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं बच्चे. So
Yes.
your parents will be doing things to keep you away from all of that, keep you protected, and let you study. Especially me. girl. There was a lot of pressure from family for marriage and everything. But I
Yes,
think support that they provide, they also need a lot of courage to do that. So when my
absolutely.
time came, I think I give it to them. I owe it to them completely. It's for them.
And आपसे ज़्यादा वो खुश हुए? Hmm?
Absolutely, they are very happy. Like when my father gets some calls now, sometimes he doesn't know who's calling, but he's like, "People are happy. You just talk."
हाँ, हाँ,
Like
चलो,
that.
very positive. And on that positive note, आप बता रहे थे you're fond of singing.
Yes, sir.
सुनाओ.
Okay. What can I sing?
What's your favorite?
So I'm
What
very fond of
do you sing? Hindi
Hindi.
movie songs? Yeah, huh?
Yes, I sing a lot of variety, but I'm very fond of the Hindi, the evergreen Lata ji and Asha ji's era music.
So pick
Okay.
up one of your favorites and sing it.
Okay. I'll sing Lag Ja Gale.
Hmm. Good choice.
हमको मिली आज बढ़िया नसीब से जी भर के दे लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. That's it.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Very well sung. You have a melodious voice. And
Thank you.
from my side, I once again congratulate you, beta. Hmm?
Thank you so much. And thank you for your guidance. I think that was a key here.
नहीं, हमारा छोटा रोल होता है, मेन तो बच्चे की मेहनत होती है ना? So you have really worked hard and it has finally paid off. I'm so glad. I'm with you. I'm relieved you are out of this Chakravyuh. है ना?
I did not get the this opportunity to meet you in person, but I'm happy with doing this. I'll come to Delhi and sometime meet you specially.
Definitely do that, है ना? And I'll be very happy to meet you. And I just hope you are able to handle your success also, beta. है ना? Let it not change you as a person, at least for the ones who are like close to you, right?
Yes,
And stay grounded, है
yes,
ना?
sir.
And इसका फायदा सिर्फ आपको तो होना ही चाहिए, आपके साथ आपके परिवार को और पूरी सोसाइटी को हो,
Yes,
जो
sir.
वो you
Definitely.
have achieved. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. We'll
God bless
continue
you.
taking guidance from you as well in the
Thank
journey
you.
forward.
If you need anywhere you think I have anything to offer, I'll be more than happy to. हाँ, कोई भी छोटी बड़ी आपको मेरे से कुछ भी इनपुट चाहिए हो ना, just you know I am just like a call or a WhatsApp message away. You can
Yes.
always do that, है ना?
Thank you so
And
much.
जब भी दिल्ली आओ तो बताना मेरे बेटे.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, sir. जी,
It was very nice talking to you. Hmm?
same, sir.
God bless you, beta.
Thank you, sir.